Niah, you know, the youth when sit down on Niah and not get no shot. Why you not get no shot? Who you see? Remember your father I'm a soldier, your uncle I'm a soldier, also you are a soldier. And every man switch up.
When you hear that, my viewers, are the same thing me would I like for know to, you know, where the brown youth they where they sit down beside a Niah when the killer them pull up. How him vanish from half of earth. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that fit up, so no drop some like on a video. Subscribe to my channel if you do not subscribe yet. So here we go on to them people. Jailer dead a road after him escape police lock up and squaddy them find a big matic and Mobay. So before me jump in at the reason and make you know what I go on, listen to this.
Niah, you know, the youth when sit down on Niah and not get no shot. Why you not get no shot? Who you see? Remember your father I'm a soldier, your uncle I'm a soldier, also you are a soldier. And every man switch up. So oh you not get no shot, bro. 3 shot fire is a professional killer go.
When you hear that, my viewers, this are the question the people them fear ask a road and stop point fingers and blame a bag of people about who kill Niah. Where is the brown youth where did sit down beside a Niah when the killer them pull up? I him alone see the killer them, you know. I him alone can't tell where we go on, you know. How nobody can find him. Him just vanish so. Pack a bag and just left the community so. Him involved in a this. Him a part of this. Him help set up Niah then. Or if you sit down beside a man we dead and you not even get a gears. Not even a 9-ball slam pass your ears. My viewers, the ghetto will always be the ghetto. And I know me always tell you that where the ghetto people them would know so now got dead before even God knows so now got dead. Cause you see that boy you want to talk on video right now, Russian Sims aka Crush Bread, we claim to say him a the done for the place. I'm showing you this my people. Or if you be done for place and you don't know where go on in your place. And you don't know who come in your place come bust out in your head. You know say the whole of them a storyteller. You know say the whole of them a liar. The whole of them just a clear them own a name. None of them no care about who kill Niah. Cause the whole of them know who kill Niah. If the whole of you come from the same place, the whole of you know the killer them in the place, the gun bag them in the place, and the chat him out them in the place. You hear him on video talk about his experienced killer go for Niah? How him know that then? If him no know the man who go for Niah? Viewers, the ghetto will always be the ghetto. Most of the people them stay in the ghetto cause them now have nowhere to go. If them did have somewhere to go, them take with themselves long time and left them place there. So the real question on road is, where is that brown youth here? Where did sit down beside a Niah? Eh? Him the police them need to go seek and find, you know, and ask him some question, you know. Cause him see the killer them, you know. Instead of everybody they on the media point fingers and blame people. Crush Road, your brother Big's name get called in this thing here too, you know. So nobody feel like say true you are done for place. You feel like you know everything where go on in the place. No for one done a joker done. Beggy done. Big idiot done. I want to know how you take talk from no for uno. So hear it them viewers. Niah drop out. And everybody they on the media chatter one bag of thing me I tell you no. A pine fingers and a blame people. When them fear look for that brown youth here. Where they sit down beside a Niah. Cause I him see. And know the man them who do this thing here. So no walk with me and know my people. See the matic here won't see on the screen. Police them find it a Rompton and Mobay. After them a patrol the community. I look for gunman and guns. Them go see a little one brother. And him see police and freeze up. And when them jump out pan him and lift up shot. Now this them find pan him belly. Them just take it off him belly and handcuff him set time and throw him in a jeep. And carry him gone down a station. So see them people. JCF do them best. To clean up Jamaica. Cause you have some boy yeah, we want dirty up Jamaica. So see it up on the screen. Big matic though. So no walk with me and know my people. We'll move on to the next topic. We see 5 inmates escape from Barnett Street Police Station at Mobay. And one of them get them marrow splash out. See me, 42-year-old Edgar Spence. Nah go get for drink no sorrel. Nah go get for yam no red rice for the Christmas. Dave nah go get a slice of the rum cake. You know why? Him see squaddy a come FEMA Valley Heights and report him all iron. Say him a fire 9 ball off of them. And when squaddy them return the fire, 9 ball stuck in him head and him chest. Drop him flat pan him face. So see it there. I bet him never bother escape. I bet him did just go and normal out and turn so back pan cell block. Him woulda live for see the new year. So see it ya now. 1 dead and 4 gone pan the run. And them 4 ya, you coulda soon hear squaddy wall them. Cause them family them no rate them, you know. Them family them a go turn them back pan them, you know. Cause when me say, the whole of them boy a grape and murder and thief them. So nobody no want dare round them. So see me, 42-year-old Edgar Spence. Never live for see the new year, me and tell you no. Half him go bus escape and feel like say him a go live. But people, stay safe out there. Until next time, protect on the 3 points of road. Cause it's a bloody Christmas boy. You don't know the code. A life over death. When you hear that.